Hi, my name is David Cantor with the Law Offices of David Michael Cantor, and today I'm going to talk about third offense extreme DUI. And an extreme DUI is anywhere where your blood alcohol is a 0.150 to a 0.199. Now, a third offense means you have 2 prior DUI convictions within the previous 7 years, and this is a third DUI. Now, those other 2 DUIs don't need to be extreme. They could be any DUI. Low-level DUI, it doesn't matter. Technically, if you get a third DUI in 7 years of any type, it can be charged as a felony or an aggravated DUI. And you'd be looking at 4 months in prison, not jail, but prison. There's all sorts of other repercussions. However, occasionally the cities will charge you as a misdemeanor DUI and keep it in the city system. If they do keep it in the city system, the standard offer is going to be 6 months in jail. Not in prison, but jail, where you can get out and do 12 hours a day or work release 5 days a week. The reason why a city would keep this in their jurisdiction rather than send it out is normally there's a problem with one of the priors, one or both, or an out-of-state prior. And there's a proof problem. With an out-of-state prior, many times there's no fingerprint that's taken at the time you plea. There's no attorney waiver in the file, and there's no guilty plea proceeding form, which is on the record. That means in order to prove the prior, many times they'd have to fly somebody from out of state to actually make that prior stick. That's why it's important to get an attorney who knows how to challenge and attack prior convictions. If you are convicted of a third offense, super extreme or extreme DUI, you're going to end up doing the 180 days in jail. Jail costs will be $14,500 out of your pocket, and the fine will be $4,649. Just the fine and the jail costs alone will be almost $20,000. Other repercussions: commercial driver's license, that'll be gone. If you're a doctor, a nurse, a pilot, a lawyer, a real estate license, Security Exchange Commission, government, or military, you're probably going to be suspended or fired, depending what occupation you're in. You'll also have to do classes, substance abuse classes, alcohol classes, ignition interlock devices, suspension on your license for at least a year, all sorts of other ramifications, and your insurance will go up $3,000 a year higher than it is now for the next 3 years after you finally get your license back. Go to our website at dmcantor.com and look at our victory section. You'll see how many extreme DUIs and second offense and third offense extreme DUIs we've beaten. Many times we blow up the priors and they become a first offense. Well, that becomes 30 days instead of 180. Many times we knock it down because there's a problem with the blood or breath and it becomes a regular DUI with no priors. That could be 1 day in jail. It could shave off, instead of $26,000, it can go all the way down to $4,000. So it's important to hire a lawyer who knows what they're doing. But if you go to our website, you'll see our qualifications. You can fill out a contact form to set up a free initial office consultation, or you can call us. It doesn't cost you anything, but it takes about 30 minutes. So that if this applies to you, a loved one, or a family member, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.